Ooh, I'm about to lose this gift card from Trop. Don't want that to happen. Put that in there. Damn, ooh, the Alta's gift card fell off. Just came in from Alta, spent $25. It's $125, and we're not done. We still got to go to the bank and get $200. Okay, a lady almost hit me because she had on the right turn signal, but she turned left. So I'm trying to tell you the struggle out here is real. Don't play. So what I'm gonna do, and I put all the valuables underneath the seat. The people will come and look at your car, and you'll be a victim. Your car will be broken into. Okay, you put the seatbelt on first. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my foot on the brake. And this is the push to start. Some cars have keys. All right. So what I'm going to do is actually back up. That's more dangerous than pulling through. I'm going to show you. So we're in a shopping area. People shoplifting. I'm sorry. They're shopping. Got you. I'm playing. Right? So they got to back up. And I'll talk about my experience in Alta. You know, I got a wife. I got a daughter, girl cousins, you know, whatever they want to get. But sometimes when you're in a beauty shop or stuff like this, you know, you're like, oh my God, I can barely breathe. There's all that makeup. I know. My cousin said, you know, don't wear a lot of makeup. You know, if you're on here, you're female, do you wear a lot of makeup, eyeliner? So I'm looking over my shoulder and I'm checking, backing up really slow. And then I'm gonna turn out hand over hand. And now I'm gonna switch screens. Okay? All right, see these cars backing up? I'm just gonna wait. Yes, you can learn how to drive. You gotta go out. And if you can convince your mom to get you out, go ahead and drive. She should be out for the break. I'm just gonna pause. I don't know what these people do. They hold their hands, young couple. I don't wanna wreck their relationship. Yeah, you need to go out and drive. It's on the holiday season. You should be out driving with your mom, right? You're gonna be rusty, you're gonna be nervous, but you gotta get out and drive. Okay, they waiting, I'm going. I'm not gonna turn too wide. And I stop at these stop signs. A lot of people don't. They just blow through them. I'm gonna pause. And this is where I would take all of you to teach you. And then I'm turning my left turn signal down. I'm gonna show you this so you don't make this mistake. You gotta look left, right, left. And my left blinker's on, that's down. I know people hate me because I'm pausing. Oh well. All right, it's clear. And I go down. I'm serious. I'm literally gonna take you through very difficult turns right now, so you know what to do. Okay, we're gonna make a right turn. This is very difficult. This is a route that I take students on because you gotta really look to your left and right. So I'm gonna come up and squeeze my brakes and pause. And I look. I wanna show you this. You have to look, and if you don't do this, you're going to get hit by a car. And then I'm gonna go into the turn, and I'm gonna accelerate out. Something about YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and change screens. So a lot of beginners like literally hooked, all right? I'm gonna show you. Thank you. Okay, I can see a little bit. Hey, I'm just trying to be out here pretending you guys are with me. Now, you're gonna have a lot of stress and anxiety doing this. Do you want me to make a right and go in the backside and go around a roundabout, or do you want me to make a left turn? Both are hard. You guys gotta tell me before I execute this maneuver. So I have to stop first. You want me to make a right, go into the roundabout, or you want me to make a left? You tell me. I'm gonna pause for a second. Let's put R for a right, L for a left. What do you want me to do? I'm gonna go ahead and make the left. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead up, make that left. Lefts are more difficult because you got all this traffic. And this could, thank you, Jackson, for making me make a difficult turn, but that's okay. Hope I don't get hit. But this is real. And if you can't do these maneuvers, you're not ready to learn how to drive. Real talk. and it's really dangerous. I don't want to get hit. So I'm really like looking left and right. Traffic is waiting. I still am going to wait. I'm inching forward. Car showing the car. I don't want to get hit. I'm just showing you. Going up slow. Okay, there's the car. They waited. I waved. Okay? Jackson, you wanted me to do this, and I did it. Okay? And I executed. So that's what you need to see. And then I'm in a left turn lane. I'm not running this light. This is a double left turn. I'm going to squeeze my brakes. I'm going to pause. I can see the rear of the tires on the ground. Yeah, Don's is a good choice. So let's review. We got 2 French silk pies, $50.